Oh my god. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So my name is Tatiana if you're new here. If you're not, what's up? Welcome back. But anyways, I'm not that excited. So today's video will be including two of my favorite things, sweets and coffee. So today here I have the Match Made box, Match Made coffee box. So this is a coffee pairing subscription. So you get like 2 coffees and 2 cookies, and then the cookie is supposed to go really well with the coffee. So I'm excited to like get into it. I signed up, but I set it up as a gift, so that way I only have 1 box versus I get a box every month. I would rather like to pick and choose when I get my boxes, considering I am like getting really into tea recently. So I'm trying to cut back on coffee. If I get coffee every month, I'm gonna drink coffee a lot. So I'm trying to cut back on my coffee intake. So speaking of tea, I need a sip. So just a second here. Oh yeah, that tastes like normal black tea. That one's good. Okay, I got some new teas and I'm trying them. So today's video with the Match Made coffee. So I'm just gonna open up the box here. Oh, okay. So here I got a whiff of like cardboard. So here we have, I guess, the receipt on top. Oh yeah, this is the gift from Tatiana, because that's, like I said, I set it up as a gift. So here we have the cookies, and the coffee is under it with some little crinkly papers. Hopefully they're recyclable. Anyways, all right, so here we have a cookie. This is a red velvet cookie. So here's what the cookie looks like. And so then it is a red velvet. The dough is a red velvet cake. And then the mixings has got cravery, cream cheese, truffles. Oh wait, cravery, cravery, cream cheese, truffles, and vanilla appeals, whatever. So yeah. And this one was baked in San Diego, California. Okay, nice. It feels like a cookie. I mean, it's like, it's not too soft, not too hard. So I think I want to try this one. I'm excited for that one. Okay, and then this cookie here is a salted caramel cream. Ooh, that one sounds really good. So here's what it looks like. It's kind of like a regular dough. And then, you know. And so the salted caramel cream has original dough. The mixings is cravery, salted caramel, vanilla chips, and sea salt. So I don't know if cravery is like the people who always make the cookies, but they seem to make these 2 cookies. All right, and then here we have the coffees. I'm gonna take them out of here. I'm gonna have to vacuum all these little crinklies everywhere. All right, so I got everything out the box, so here we are. So this coffee is a medium roast. It's the Honduras San Marcos. It's organic and single origin. So tasting notes. Experience this rich, bright roast, shade grown in... I can read, I promise, I'm not slow. Okay, experience this rich and bright roast, shade grown in the high altitude mountains of Honduras. The beans enjoy a long and slow maturation giving the roast a complex flavor palette, much like a fine wine. When enjoyed alongside the salted caramel cream cookie, you will taste the enhanced notes of caramel as well as some natural spice. So this one, the Match Made cookie, is the salted caramel cream, and it has it like on the bottom and like all of the information here. So I can read, y'all. I do just want to say that because I sounded slow just now. I read so much, but I read to myself. So when I read out loud, my eyes move a lot faster than my mouth does. All right, so the Honduras, San Marcos, and the salted caramel are the Match Made. So they go together. I'm going to try to get some footage when I actually make a cup of this and I eat the cookie, just so you can see like my reaction. I probably won't make the first one until tomorrow morning because I'm drinking tea right now and I took a caffeine pill. I might want to chill on the caffeine for just a little bit. All right, so this next one is espresso. Ooh, oh, I'm so excited for this one. Okay, I love espresso because I love like really strong coffee. Okay, so this one is a blend, so it's a dark, medium, light. Ooh, okay, so it's got all of those like different strengths. Yeah, I don't know what to call it. Okay, oh, roast, all the different roasts. There we go. And so it says, tasting notes. This signature blend of Colombian, Honduran, and Kenyan beans are roasted just before second crack, which is the traditional way of the European espresso roasted. This leaves behind a little to no oil, but allows the different flavors and natural sugars to be tasted, sip alongside, be tasted, period. Sip alongside your red velvet cookie for a perfectly paired and luxurious treat. So the red velvet and the espresso are to go together. So here we are. Like I said, I will come back. I keep looking because I'm on my phone. I'm filming on my phone today. So the camera's here. The look is here. But anyways, so I look horrible. Oh my God. Okay, focus. So I'm going to come back when I'm actually going to drink these and eat the cookie. So that way you can... I can't focus. Oh my God. Ooh, okay. So yeah, I'm going to come back and I'm going to try these on camera when I actually use them. So I'm probably going to have on like 2 more different outfits, hopefully. Because if I don't, that means I drink coffee twice in the same day, which is not good. So yeah, so here's this stuff. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back the next day, like I said. This morning we are going to try the Honduras San Marcos coffee with the salted caramel. Yeah, salted caramel cream cookie. Excuse me. Ooh, I haven't had any caffeine this morning and I pretty much just woke up. So I am still hella tired. So sorry my voice sounds like that. But so this one again was the one with the salted caramel, and it said you're supposed to be able to taste like enhanced notes of caramel when you eat it with the cookie. So I mean, there's not much more I can talk about. Oh, I didn't smell these on camera yesterday, but this smells so amazing. Like it has that coffee smell, but it's like a little sweetened. Oh, it's so good. Yeah. So here I have my travel Black & Decker mug because I have like a travel coffee maker or some shit like that. I don't know. It's a 1-cup coffee maker and it came with the travel mug that you make it in. So I keep looking at, I'm on my phone again. So yeah. So in here is the coffee. There's no creamer. There is sugar though, because I can't drink straight black coffee no matter what. But I didn't put creamer because I wanted to be able to taste, you know, what they want you to taste for the most part. So let me open this cookie first. I'm still trying to get it to cool off because I just brewed it like right before I started filming. All right. At least I get to eat cookies for breakfast. But this will be my last time eating sweets for a while. Well, this and the one that I'm going to try tomorrow. Okay, tastes pretty good. The dough, of course, tastes like a regular, like, chocolate chip dough. Okay, so here we are. Jesus, I don't drink black coffee, so all I see is this blackness, and I'm just like, it's just gonna be bitter, even though I put sugar in it. So let's see. It's still pretty hot. Oh, okay. I definitely tasted the caramel. Tastes pretty good. Okay, let me see if I can get a bigger sip. Oh, that was good for it. Well, I did put sugar in it, so I didn't put creamer though, like I said. So it's still playing tricks on my mind right now. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a bite of the cookie. Okay. Oh yeah, these do match really well. I'm not one for like matching foods. So like, you know how people like match wine to go with like a certain dinner. I don't do that because quite frankly, I don't know anything about it. But I can tell that these pair really well together. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is one really good cookie. Okay. I'm tasting the vanilla chips. I got a big one just now. It was pretty good. So yeah, that was me trying the salted caramel and the Honduras San Marcos. I kind of really like this one. That's the only thing about their website that I'm not a fan of. So they send you the coffee and the cookie. Well, you only get one cookie and then a bag of coffee. So you know you're going to get a few cups out of this. But, well, I guess if you were to make the whole, I don't know. But anyways, you're only going to get a few cups out of this and you only got one cookie. So I really like this and I would love to purchase this and the cookies again. But they don't have it on their website where you can do that. So maybe once they get bigger, because I think they're still pretty small, maybe they'll have it where you can purchase from the store. Also, I don't think I said anything. I didn't think I said how much this stuff cost yesterday. So the box itself is $19.99 or something, free shipping. And that's every month if you were to purchase it as a subscription. You can also do like 3 months and 6 months and 12 months. And I think you save a little bit each time you add, like, you know, the more months you buy at once. But again, I only bought the gift version where it's not going to auto renew. So that way I can pick and choose when I want to get more coffee. Because quite frankly, I only used 2.5 tablespoons of this today. So I'm definitely going to get like a few more cups out of here because it's still pretty high up. So, and plus I have all my tea that I'm drinking too. So yeah, well, I'm going to go and I'll be back tomorrow to try the red velvet and espresso one. My eyes burn. Okay guys, I'm back again. Today I have the espresso coffee and the red velvet cookie that is just falling apart. Like, look at that, just all the way. But anyways, I look terrible right now, so I do apologize. I went out last night, got back at 3:45 this morning, and it is currently, what time? Like 8, 9. All right, so there's like that broken piece. I'm just gonna eat that. Yeah, this one's a lot drier, I guess you could say, than the other one. That's probably why it's crumpling. But it is like a red velvet cake batter instead, or dough, red velvet cake dough instead of like a regular cookie dough. It tastes like red velvet. Okay, I just wanted to get those crumbs out of there because that was bothering me. All right, so the espresso coffee is a blend, so it's a dark, medium, and light roast. It smells pretty good. I like it. And it's like the Colombian, Honduran, and Kenyan beans again, just in case we forgot from the beginning of this video. So yeah. It doesn't say why this would be best with the red velvet as the other one did with the caramel, salted caramel cookie and the Honduras coffee, because that one was like, oh, it'll bring out like hints of caramel, and it did make it sweeter, like when I ate it with the cookie or drink it with the cookie. Oh, my brain is like not functioning right this morning. All right, so I'm gonna take a sip of the coffee. Again, I made it the same way that I made the one yesterday. I don't know if I said that already, where it's just sugar in here. There's no cream. I don't like bitterness, so I wanted to add a little bit of sugar so that way I can, you know, have it sweet. Okay, this one tastes, I'll be honest, tastes like a regular coffee. There's no extra sweetness like with the Honduras coffee. Let me drink some with the cookie. Oh, yeah, my hair is different, by the way. So I'm just gonna take a bite of the cookie. Looks like it has like white chocolate or maybe the vanilla chips again. Okay, so eating it with the cookie did make it taste slightly sweeter because I did have cookie in my mouth probably, but it does pair really well together. Like I can tell that they, you know, kind of match each other. This coffee is still really hot, so it's hard to drink. Oh, those are cream cheese, truffles, and vanilla appeals. I don't know what that last one is. I'll probably put it on the screen so you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, again, like I said yesterday, I kind of just wish that I was able to purchase this so I could have it with the rest of the coffee, because I still have a lot of it left. And this one isn't, I mean, this one isn't my favorite. Like, I like that it's espresso and it's a dark blend, because I do like the strong coffee taste. But there's pretty much nothing else special about it, in my opinion. It is a really nice coffee though. Like I could tell that it's smoother than like the cheap coffees. It has a lot more body to it. So I can tell that it is a really good coffee. It's just kind of, I hate to say boring, because there's like no extra flavors like the one from yesterday. That one had a lot of caramel taste even without the cookie. So that one's pretty good. Yeah, this one just tastes like a plain coffee. So, I mean, it is just called espresso. So, but it makes sense though. It is a subscription box where you would be paying $20 a month to get 2 coffees and a cookie sent to you. Well, what if you don't like sweet coffee? So then they put a regular coffee. So if they do that every month, where they put 1 sweet, 1 regular, to me that makes sense, because not everybody likes sweet coffee. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm tired. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys in the next one.